we guide you through how to trade in Roblox step by step. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you have a Roblox premium membership because trading is only available for premium users. Once you have premium, go to Roblox website and click on the avatar shop. Then find a limited view item because only this item can be traded. Next, go to the profile of the player you want to trade with. Click the three dots on their profile and select trade items. You'll then see the trading window where you can choose which limited items from your inventory you want to offer. And you can also select the items you want from other players' inventory. If needed, you can add some Robux to make the trade more balanced before sending the trade request. Carefully review the value of the items to avoid unfair trades or scams. Once everything looks good, click Make Offer to send the trade. The other player will then be able to accept, decline, or counter your data or your trade.